on, my man?
Clearly you know why I'm stopping you, right?
I just got this like this week.
Okay.
I haven't had a chance to fix that yet.
All right. You got your operator license on you, man?
Yes, I do, sir. Mind if I reach for it?
No, go ahead. You
I
don't have
got no weapons on me. No, no.
I'm not worried about that.
Thank you.
Is this on a hinge? No.
More fireworks, 8206 Ridgedale.
How long ago did you buy it?
You know, I'm holding it.
This week. It was like Tuesday.
Okay, thanks.
I just registered it Friday.
Okay. I'll tell you what, so we're not in this peculiar spot. I'm gonna have you pull into CVS here, okay?
I'm not going anywhere.
All right. I'm gonna cut you a warning, okay? I ride, and like so do all my coworkers, but you gotta fix it.
Yeah, I know.
Because you know what's gonna happen next is some cop is gonna hunt you down. Like I just did, right?
Yeah, I know it's not in the best spot.
It's not in any spot. You can't read it. It's supposed to be down like that. So it's an easy way to get yourself into a ticket situation, right? And you just got your temps or your
No, this is my police.
you got your endorsement. That's
my
one
here.
Oh, is it?
It's my 10th flight.
Oh, I saw something on there. All right, I'm gonna write you a warning. I'm gonna get you going.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Oh, it's just a warning.
Hey, it's a nice bike though.
I appreciate that, man. I just got it. So.
What is it?
It's an R1.
He's so nice. But like, I don't want to die, so I don't want to get a bike.
I've been riding for 4 years. I've been just fine.
4 years?
Yeah, this is my 10th bike, dude.
Damn. Nice. Did you destroy your other bikes or what happened to them?
No, I just sold.
Oh, okay.
It's just about my favorite one so far, so I'm keeping it.
So nice. No, you got a license.
Drive safe, guys. Don't get pulled over.
Hey, stay safe.
Sorry, I didn't mean to insult you by giving you a lower horsepower
you're fine,
motorcycle.
you're fine.
I don't know all my model numbers yet.
That's a 2018 R1.
Is it 2018?
Mm-hmm.
What is the? When did the plate right?
Only had.
Oh, King William.
Only bought it with like 1,800 miles on it.
I ran the wrong plate. I can't read it. It shows up on your name. I thought it was a different letter. Like I said, it's just a warning, okay? Well, thanks for stopping. Keep the squidding to an area that isn't in the city, okay? Because we've been getting a lot of that around here. I don't know if you heard about the one here. All right, man. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Take care.
2009?
Okay,
No, he thought it was a 2009, bro. What the hell? He scratched out and wrote 2018. He thought this was a 2009. I'm insulted.
Yeah, you're back, you piece of shit.
Yamaha. He wrote R7 too. Wow, dude.
Or like, what do you say when they're like, why is it like that?
I was like, I bought it on Tuesday last week, which is a lie. I bought it like 2-3 weeks ago. But I just registered it this Friday, which is true. It says that on the registration. So I was like,
This was a good idea.
I just bought it this week. I haven't had a chance.
How did it get like that?
So that was my go-to. I didn't have that prepared or anything. I was just like, fuck it.
Yeah.
My usual go-to just be like, came like that, use bike.